Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, I Like to Cake. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple lemon curd. You can use this lemon curd in the lemon cake that I have another recipe video for, or any other lemon dessert that you want, like lemon tarts. This recipe only takes 5 ingredients, so let's get started. First, we're going to combine in a pot 1/3 cup of lemon juice, and that takes about 3 lemons. Fresh squeezed lemon juice is very important here. And then we'll add in 2 large eggs, 2/3 cup of white sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon zest. We're just going to whisk all of this together over a medium heat. And you don't want it to be too high because we don't want to risk cooking the bottom and getting scrambled eggs. After a few minutes of stirring, go ahead and turn down the heat to a low heat and continue to whisk this constantly or stir it with a wooden spoon or something constantly. Again, we don't want to get scrambled eggs, but we need this to cook through. We need to cook the eggs and we need it to thicken up nicely. So once it starts to thicken a little bit, we can check to see if it's ready. So take a wooden spoon, dip it into this mixture, and just run your finger over the back of the wooden spoon. If you run your finger through, you should be able to still see the line like this. If you can't see the line anymore because the curd has kind of filled in that line from where your finger was, then it's not ready yet. But as you can see here, this is ready. So we'll go ahead and turn the heat off and remove that from the heat. And now we're going to add in 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So go ahead and just add it in all at once and just stir until all the butter has been melted. Most recipes do say that your butter needs to be at room temperature here, but I just used it cold out of the fridge and I didn't have any problems with it. Once all of your butter has melted and combined with the lemon curd, that's it for the cooking process, but we need to let it cool before we can use it. So what we're going to do is pour it into a bowl, and then we're going to take some plastic wrap and press it on top of the surface while we let this cool. The reason we want to press this on the surface is to prevent a skin from forming on top. But if you do end up with a skin forming on top, you can just scrape that off and use whatever's underneath. That's okay. And that's it for a lemon curd. It's super easy. It has a really nice lemony flavor. Now it is important that you use fresh lemons for all of this. Fresh lemon juice, fresh lemon zest. That's going to give you the best flavor. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I have a lemon cake recipe that you can use this lemon curd in. That's what I use this for. But there's a huge variety of desserts you can make with lemon curd. The possibilities are endless. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you use this lemon curd for anything, I'd love to see your pictures and share it in one of my videos. So send your pictures to iliketocake.baker@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.